Hey guys, welcome back, and this is my first time playing Family Farm Seaside, and let's play. Okay, so welcome to Seaside. Play, make yourself at home, and I'll show you around. Great, let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna collect this, and then we're gonna.
Maya,
Oh, yes.
please come in the lounge.
No.
I want to play the game while you're playing right now with you then.
I will soon.
No, I don't even want to.
Oh, hey guys. Sorry, my brother was talking to me. Okay, this is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just following the instructions. Even though I don't want it here, can I like move it? Okay, got cheese. Weird. I'm on level 2. Sorry guys. Thought I was on 3 for a second. Show me. Okay. Okay. I don't know what we're doing. I'm just making this up. Okay guys, this is the thing. I'm gonna get some grapes. Yeah, I'm gonna get some grapes. Okay, well, I'm on level 3. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. On level 4. This goes really quick, guys. I don't know what's going on, but it does go pretty quick. No mission. I don't really want it to show me anymore. Okay, well, I'm gonna get some clovers. Okay, I'm gonna. This is pretty weird. This place is pretty weird. Sorry, I'm just doing something. Oh, so you can like go to these. So we're gonna get a chicken coop. Sorry. This is tiring, but it's my first time. And comment down below if you want me to make a series of these. I probably will, and I won't play anything offline. I'll just play it with you guys here, with me, obviously. And gonna get that. I need like some more coins. How do I get coins? I don't get this. How do I get coins, guys? Oh, I guess you like just sell the whole thing. Oh. Okay. Okay, I have enough now. And I'm just gonna put this like over here. I think I'll be a little bit better. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Got that. Claimed it. I think we're gonna like put this here. Okay, that's pretty cool. Progress. Okay. 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 Okay, guys, this is so weird. I wonder what level my brother is on. Put that on all of them. And then you get wherever it's from. Okay. Wait, first off, gonna put this on all of them. Okay. The bees are coming, okay. Show me. Okay. Sweet, guys. Okay. Now what? Rewards. Okay, well, interesting. Okay. Claim. Oh, guys, I'm so dumb. And then okay, I got honey from them. Go bees. About a new mission again. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end it here. See you guys later. Don't forget to hit that bell. Don't forget to share with your family and friends. Don't forget to sub to me and my brother. My brother's account is Callum2008. And please like this video. See you guys next time. Bye.